I made $471 today in under 20 minutes, and in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to break down this trade. Welcome to 60-second trade review, real trades, real strategy, real quick. PMN was the biggest gap up this morning going into the market open. Usually with this situation, we would be looking for a 5-minute opening range breakout, which would be a move above this first 5-minute candle's high. That does not happen at the market open. Instead, it starts to sell off a bit to the downside. I posted in the Market Master group at 9:43 this morning that PMN was at $1, could be a key level for a reversal, so keep on watch here to see how it reacts. As it's pulling back into that $1 level, we see that the dips underneath that level are quickly getting bought up, and it starts to move then above the VWAP. That to me was a bullish signal. I bought some shares and was able to sell into those morning highs, and as it starts to spike up into those pre-market highs. Locked in a $471 profit on this very simple technical trade, and we had multiple traders in the group lock in profits on this trade as well. The key takeaway from this trade is that it's important to not take stocks off of your radar just because they don't have a strong open. These stocks that have these strong pre-market moves and then sell off at the open often are selling off at the open to trap short sellers and to set up for a squeeze later in the morning or later in the afternoon. That's what we had today with PMN. So if you enjoyed this 60-second trade review, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more. And if you're looking for a way to level up your trading and get access to the trading strategies that I use every single day, there's a link down below in the description to get instant access to our full 1-hour trading course. Thanks for watching and good luck with your trading.